With EcoSend, in addition to our manual broadcasts, you can also set up automated messages to trigger when users match the filters of your smart groups. When you attach an automation to a smart group, anytime a user matches the smart group's filters, they will enter the subscription list and receive the automated message. Great use cases for automations include sending a welcome message to new signups, converting a user to premium plans, automating a case study outreach, or guiding users across your platform and nudging them to activate key features. In this example, I have a group of leads who have submitted a form for my lead magnet. I will use this group as the basis to then trigger an automated message to send through the lead magnet as soon as users submit the form. I use the form smart group as the trigger for the message by setting it in step 2. In step 3, I build out my message. In this case, I've used our no-code HTML builder to send through an automated message along with a call to action button to download the lead magnet. Once that's done, I hit save and publish, so henceforth all form submissions will receive their lead magnet automatically. In this example, I've created a list of existing clients who I'd like to encourage to take on an annual subscription. I set entry to the smart group in step 2 and follow that up with a personalized, simple email version with a call to action button, nudging these users to subscribe to our annual plans. In a similar example, I've built a smart group of my super users who are highly active on my platform. I want to use entry into this smart group as the basis to trigger an automatic reach out, asking the users if they'd be interested in submitting a case study. Again, I want to make this a personal touch, so I use our simple email version and send out from my own sender profile. In this final example, I have a list of recent signups who I want to nudge to activate a key feature. I set the latest sign-up groups as my criteria for entry and follow that up with a simple message pointing out the feature and how to access it.